In this video, I will show you how to make one stitch. To do this, I'm going to pick up the loop between the last and the next stitch and knit into the back of the loop. I will be using 4mm knitting needles and a lightweight yarn such as DMC Candy. To start, we'll insert our left hand needle from front to back under the horizontal strand of yarn that lies between the stitches and lift this onto the needle. We will then insert our right hand needle through the back of the loop on the left hand needle, wrap the yarn around, knit as normal and slip this off, and you've made one stitch.